Today we'll walk through installing a cellular shade. Before you begin, check your window treatment order for the install guide and ensure all hardware is included. Also, confirm your shades fit properly by holding them up to the window frame and checking measurement accuracy. For install, you will need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. Our first installation step is to mark the drill sites for the brackets. For cellular shades, we recommend mounting brackets about 3 inches in from each side of your window. Drill the marked points and screw in the brackets. Next, align the front of the shade with the bracket and push the back up, snapping into place. Hearing the click ensures the shade is locked into place. Finally, test your shades by raising and lowering slowly to ensure even movement, and checking for proper tension by stopping it mid-window. Then, attach the operating handle. Our cellular shades are available in a variety of colors, cell styles, and pleat sizes, giving you flexible options to achieve the look, light control, and insulation you want in your space. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.